The holidays are just around the corner, and there's no better time to simplify your home. Imagine hosting stress-free gatherings or cozying up in a clutter-free space. In today's video, we're decluttering together step by step to create a home that's calm, welcoming, and ready for the festive season. Stick around because I'll share a simple strategy at the end to keep your home clutter-free all year long. Why decluttering matters before the holidays. The holiday season brings joy, family, and togetherness. But let's be honest, it can also bring stress. A cluttered home makes it harder to enjoy the holidays fully, especially when you're hosting guests or preparing for celebrations. By simplifying your space now, you'll have more room for what matters most: quality time, meaningful traditions, and a sense of peace. Today, I'll guide you through practical steps to declutter every room, just in time for the holidays. 1. Start with the entryway. Make the first impression count. Your entryway is the first thing guests see when they arrive. A clutter-free, welcoming entry sets the tone for your home. What to do: clear out shoes, coats, and bags that don't belong. Keep only seasonal essentials like boots and warm coats. Use a basket or bin for items guests might need, like slippers or umbrellas. Add a festive touch, like a wreath or holiday mat, to create warmth. Pro tip: assign a designated space for keys and wallets to avoid last-minute chaos. 2. Focus on the kitchen, the heart of holiday gatherings. The kitchen is where memories are made, whether you're baking cookies or hosting a family dinner. A clutter-free kitchen makes cooking and entertaining easier. What to do: declutter countertops by storing appliances you don't use daily. Toss expired food from your pantry and fridge to make room for holiday treats. Use clear bins or jars to organize pantry staples like flour, sugar, and spices. Pro tip: create a holiday essentials section in your pantry for items like hot cocoa mix, marshmallows, or baking supplies. 3. Simplify your living room for cozy gatherings. The living room is the hub for family and friends during the holidays. A clutter-free, cozy space sets the mood for festive fun. What to do: remove items that don't belong, like old magazines or random gadgets. Use baskets or ottomans with storage to keep blankets, remotes, or games tucked away. Rearrange furniture to create a more open, inviting layout for guests. Pro tip: add simple decor like candles or a small centerpiece instead of overloading the room with decorations. 4. Declutter guest areas. Prepare for overnight visitors. If you're hosting guests during the holidays, a welcoming guest room or space is essential. What to do: clear out any personal items or storage boxes from the guest room. Make the bed with fresh linens and set out a basket with towels and toiletries. Add small touches like a bedside lamp or a book to make your guests feel at home. Pro tip: if you don't have a guest room, create a cozy nook with a pull-out couch or air mattress. 5. Purge unused holiday decorations. Holiday decorations can pile up over the years. Decluttering your collection makes decorating simpler and more enjoyable. What to do: go through your holiday decor and donate items you haven't used in years. Keep only timeless or sentimental pieces that fit your current style. Organize decorations in labeled bins to make setup easier next year. Pro tip: use clear bins for holiday decorations, so you can quickly see what's inside. 6. Tidy up bedrooms for a restful retreat. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, even during the busy holiday season. A clean, calm space helps you recharge. What to do: clear off nightstands and dressers, keeping only essentials like a lamp or book. Store out-of-season clothes to make room in your closet. Wash and refresh your bedding for a cozy feel. Pro tip: add a touch of holiday cheer with simple decor like string lights or festive pillowcases. 7. Organize your gift wrapping supplies. Gift giving is a holiday highlight, but scattered wrapping supplies can turn it into a headache. What to do: gather all your wrapping paper, ribbons, and gift bags into one container or station. Discard scraps of paper or damaged supplies. Use a portable caddy to store everything for easy access. Pro tip: save money and space by reusing gift bags or wrapping with recyclable paper. 8. Digital decluttering. Simplify your online life. The holidays aren't just about physical spaces. Your digital life could use a refresh. 2. What to do: unsubscribe from email lists you no longer read to reduce inbox clutter. Organize holiday photos into folders for easy sharing. Set up a shared calendar for holiday events to stay on top of plans. Pro tip: limit screen time during family gatherings to focus on creating memories. 9. Donate unused items to spread holiday cheer. Decluttering is a perfect opportunity to give back. Donating unused items helps others while lightening your load. What to do: collect toys, clothes, or household items in good condition. Drop them off at local shelters, donation centers, or toy drives. Involve your family to make it a meaningful holiday tradition. Pro tip: keep a running list of donation items throughout the year to make decluttering faster during the holidays. 10. Create a maintenance plan to stay clutter-free. Once you've decluttered, the key is keeping it that way through the holidays. What to do: set aside 10 minutes daily to tidy up high-traffic areas. Use a one-in, one-out rule for new holiday gifts. If something comes in, something must go. Make a family pact to clean as you go during holiday preparations. Pro tip: use a calendar to schedule mini decluttering sessions in the weeks leading up to the holidays. Conclusion: a simpler home for a happier holiday. Decluttering before the holidays isn't just about tidying your space. It's about creating a home that feels warm, inviting, and stress-free. With these practical tips, you'll be ready to enjoy the season with less mess and more joy. Take it one step at a time, and remember, it's not about perfection, it's about creating a space that supports what matters most to you. Which area will you declutter first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to simplify their holidays.